Hello everyone, welcome to Ladder to Learn. Today I'm going to talk about 5 taboo things that might actually save your relationships. Number 1. Talk about money. It's impossible to be together and avoid the financial topic. After all, once you start sharing your life with another person, you also start sharing money, one way or another. Nevertheless, talking about financial issues and money in general became a taboo and huge source of stress for many couples. But how are you willing to plan your life together if you don't talk about money? You have to spill everything that's on your mind. Number 2. Eat different things. We all have different eating habits, and it can happen so that you are, for example, a vegetarian while your boyfriend enjoys meat dishes to the fullest. In a situation like this, one should not sacrifice his own eating habits, as it will definitely put a strain on relationships in the future and will make the person truly, deeply unhappy. Allow yourself to eat what and when you want, and see if the two of you have similar habits to enjoy at least a few meals together. Don't even think about changing the other person's habits. Things like these are personal and should happen without intervention from outside. Number 3. Sharing and talking about touchy subjects. If you don't want to share something with your partner because it makes you feel uncomfortable, that's perfectly okay. But if you have something that's weighing heavily on your mind, you should share it with your partner. It's each other's responsibility to listen each other's problem and face it together. Maybe you cannot provide a perfect solution, but your listening means a lot. Number 4. Letting any and all emotions be okay. While you think it would be considered okay to show your emotions in front of your significant others, it's still slightly taboo for some people, especially identifying males, to share their feelings, whether that means crying or admitting that they feel depressed. And yet, it's so important to create relationship where both partners feel comfortable opening up regardless of gender. Research has found that a relationship where the male partner is stonewall personality, which means he shut himself down, it's more prone to break up. Number 5. Being in a long distance relationship. Whether you're doing it on purpose or not, long distance relationship can actually be a good thing, despite what people say. When you lack the sense of touch and are only left to hear or see each other through the phone or computer screen, you are forced to express yourself with words, in turn strengthening your communication skills and becoming more articulate about everything, including your love for each other. The long distance part of their relationship may not last forever once you choose to or able to live closer together, but the benefits of the distance will certainly be long lasting. So that was my top 5 taboo things list which could strengthen your relationship with your partner. If you have any other tips, please comment below. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Ladder to Learn.